Okay, so this particular site is called Ed Puzzle, and you can use the website to make any video for your lesson class if you're a teacher. Okay, so it's very user friendly. And all right, so this particular company has some vacancies, and if you're an online tutor, you can definitely apply. Okay, so here is the link to their current openings: www.workable.edupuzzle.com. Okay, so the Edupuzzle, they are involved in learning, is an edtech born in Silicon Valley and has offices in Barcelona, San Francisco, and all USA. Okay, so what they do is that they empower teachers to make any video of their lessons with easy to use video editing tools and beautiful hassle-free analytics showing students results in just a few clicks. Then teachers can turn any video into an engaging, effective video lesson and then see in real time which students understood the lesson and who needs help. Thankful to insightful student data Edupuzzle gathers. So, well, the job openings are this: product support specialist in Barcelona, full-time; regional director of K-12 sales, K12; remote, K12 sales associate, remote also United States; digital campaign manager in United States, full-time and also can be remote; then software engineer, JavaScript. And also, all right, there are so many, even people, operations specialists. There are so many jobs here. If you are interested, please apply. But let's just see how one looks like. Key account manager, Mexico, remote position. So let's see if it was posted 11 days ago. So an overview of the job is that they are likely looking for a sales executive in Mexico. Right, and that person would definitely be the account manager. Okay, so you must help implement sales process for the creation of solid sales pipeline, manage the CRM, Salesforce, and all that. So you should have more than 3 years in business to business sales position for education companies. Okay, so the skills include lean methodology from non-scalable to scalable, data analysis, funnel analysis. English is a plus. You should be self-dedicated, be data-driven. Okay, so if you have qualification for this, then you should apply. Benefits include Macbook laptop. Wow, Macbook. Yes, then 23 days vacation plus 24th and 31st of December, as well as include competitive salary, substantial yearly salary review. So this company is an equal opportunity employer and they value diversity in their company. So if you'd like to be considered for this position, just click on the apply for this role job between, and you import your resume, or yes, and afterwards fill in these blank spaces: your first name, your last name, email address and state. Input your phone number, your zip code, then ensure that you put in your cover letter and answer the following questions. What are you passionate about and why? Why do you want to join Ed Puzzle? Tell us something you have learned recently and how did you hear about us? Okay, so remember to submit the application when you're done. And then I wish you all the best. Remember that most of these jobs, they are first come first serve basis. So it's better you apply right now if you're interested and don't procrastinate. All right. So um be rest assured that the company will not discriminate. So you are in safe hands. All right. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video, and it was nice all true. Please remember to click on the subscribe button for you to subscribe to my channel, and also remember to click on the notification bell so that you can have updates whenever I post my videos. Please tell your friends about this channel so that they can subscribe to it, and please like and share my videos. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.